large scimitar-babbler belongs to the babbler family, and thus looks quite similar to the more familiar Hwamei. It is medium-sized, about 20 centimeters in length, with a long, pointed, and downward curving bill shaped like a scimitar. It mainly inhabits forests and shrublands in low hills and mountainous areas, and prefers to move about in forest clearings and places with water. It takes special care of its feathers and often goes to forest pools to preen. The large scimitar-babbler feeds on small insects and is mainly distributed in China and Southeast Asia. It is listed in the IUCN Red List of threatened species.